if you're experiencing sync issues on Mode Analytics, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check data source connection. Ensure that your data source is properly connected to Mode Analytics. Go to the data source settings and verify that the connection credentials are correct and that the data source is online. Step 2. Review sync settings. Navigate to the sync settings in Mode Analytics. Check if the sync frequency is set correctly and ensure that any filters or parameters are configured as intended. Step 3. Test the sync manually. Try to initiate a manual sync to see if the issue persists. This can help identify if the problem is with the scheduled sync or the data itself. Step 4. Inspect error logs. Look at the error logs for any messages related to sync failures. These logs can provide insights into what might be causing the sync issues, such as permission problems or data format errors. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue remains unresolved after following the previous steps, reach out to Mode Analytics support. Provide them with detailed information about the sync issue, including any error messages and steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync issues on Mode Analytics efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.